Hello guys, welcome back to 91 Wheels. Very quick walk around on the new 2020 Creta. This is an all new product for the Indian market. Of course, it is BS6. We are at the factory of Hyundai at Chennai. Before I go further, this is the white one with the lights on. This is also white with the lights off. And you can see various colors behind the camera, a red, a grey, a maroon, a white as well. So I can't share my opinions till 11 AM tomorrow because it's embargoed the opinions, but just to give you a closer look, this is how the color options on the Creta look like. These are SX models. This one is SX with the silver alloys, SX with the silver alloys. This is the base version with the wheel caps, and that is the SX grey. A lot of noise here. Let me go down to the other side. The white ones, one of them have the lights on. So this one has the lights on. That is how it looks in flesh as compared to no lights on. This is the DCT model, and that's why it has dual exhaust outlets. So this is missing on the non-DCT, which is this one. So a normal non-DCT will have no exhaust, no double exhaust at the back, but the DCT has dual exhaust. Alloy wheels, these are on the S6. We have the silver ones with 215/60 R17. The base E has plastic wheel caps on 16-inch wheels. The top end has dual tone alloy. So various combinations for various trims. Can't show the interiors till tomorrow 11 AM, but this is a walk around video just to show you how the car looks from the outside. The tail lamps. This also, by the way, works as a brake lamp. It glows up. A contrast color for the C pillar going all the way to the front of the car. The indicators are down below. The DRLs are over here. Big grille. Some of the models have chrome, some don't have. This is a chrome part right now. This is not the chrome part. The maroon color. I'm sure there will be multiple options to have a contrasting roof. This doesn't have the contrasting roof, but yeah, the roof rails are present. You can't tie luggage over here, but they are present for the aesthetic appeal, and so is a rear spoiler over here. So yes, once again, we are at the Hyundai factory. The SX with the silver alloys, SX with the silver alloys, the E with the wheel caps, one more S6 with the silver alloys, a different color combination. And let me just quickly take you to the one which is finished in white. So this one is the white one. The tail lights are on. Definitely gives you an idea of how the car looks like in real. You have an inverted C forming up with the help of the DRLs, and of course your LED lights inside. The indicators and the fog lamps are down there below. Doesn't make sense, but just for the size comparison, we have the Kona parked. So in terms of the size comparison, this is how the Kona looks like in front of the Creta, or vice versa. Not going to tell you which one is better, just a size comparison. That is the new Creta, this is the Kona, and the Creta with the lights on and Creta without the lights. We will have a review opinion with interiors coming up tomorrow 11 AM, but till then you can watch this walk around video of the new 2020 Hyundai Creta, launch being on the 17th of March.